Guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have a brand. Again, it's a non-sponsored video. I am making this out of my own free will. I'm not paid. I don't have to. There's no barter, nothing going on. It's just a brand which I have been wanting to try for the longest amount of time, but for some reason or the other, I was, not trying out these products. But today I am trying them out. Not today, I have actually tried them out, and I am sharing them with you because I like them, and I am mildly surprised by how good they feel. Okay, so the brand that I'm talking about is Moody. I'm sure you must have seen this on your Instagram, on social media. I know I have seen so many of their advertisements, and I just was not sure whether or not the products will be good. And I think it's mainly because of their packaging. As you can see, the branding and everything that they have done, it's more of a fun vibe than like a really, something that will work very well. So I used to sort of feel that this brand is having products which might not be the best. Okay, also the product pricing is really not bad. Like this sunscreen, which is the Hydro Burst hybrid water sunscreen with hyaluronic and coconut water, is for 600. Then this one is for 780. This face mist is for 375, and they have a lot of deals going on almost all the time. Then and they have like buy one get two, and all these kind of deals going on. And this one, the price is 495 for this vitamin C body lotion. So I was not sure if the product will actually be good, but honestly guys, I have been loving all the products. Now usually when I get products from like brands and stuff, I end up liking some products, and some products I end up not liking. Which, like for example, if I get a kit with shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, I might only end up liking the shampoo, and I make a video of shampoos and pair that shampoo with other shampoos. But I had to make a video dedicated completely to this brand because I genuinely feel that this brand has good products to offer. I just feel their marketing needs to sort of change a little bit, wherein they also showcase the usefulness or the quality of the product, which I and also I think they could probably do well with with some influencer marketing. I really think that would work out. But let me quickly tell you the products, and these are the only four products I have. There's one more sunscreen, the green one. It's an acne sunscreen which I use, and that is over, so I don't have that with me. But that's also really good. So this is the Sensi Soothe Mineral Fluid Sunscreen, and the packaging is really, like, it feels really good. And if you see, I'm just going to show you the consistency of the product, and it is one of the most lightweight sunscreens, guys, that I have ever used. Can you see how lightweight that is? It is super duper lightweight. It works really well with foundations, other skincare products. It's really, really good. Then this is their other sunscreen, which I got to try much later, which is the Hydro Burst Hybrid Water Sunscreen, like I said. It's that one. And this consistency also is so good, isn't it? Okay, let me just close this thing real quick, and look at that. And the consistency is literally like, I don't know, I feel like I'm literally applying water. Can you see? I feel like I'm applying water. So yeah, I understand why this is named Hydro Burst, because it genuinely, like, I don't know how else to tell you, but I feel like I'm applying a serum on my hand. It's not even sunscreen. It's like literal serum consistency. Absolutely good. So if you genuinely want to buy a lightweight sunscreen, I know there are many others. I don't think I have tried any other sunscreen honestly as light as this one. So, and both of these are SPF 50 PA plus 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 plus. So yeah, the amazing, kudos to Moody. I think I did mention the brand, I'm not sure, but the brand is Moody. Okay, the brand's name is Moody. Then I very recently, actually, it's just been 3-4 days since I've been using, but I love it. It's the Vitamin C Body Lotion by Moody. And guys, I don't know what they are adding in their products, but the products feel so lightweight. See, now this consistency is proper as like, like a body lotion, but when I apply, it just blends. And trust me guys, I have applied a moisturizer in the morning, so it's not like my skin is, very dry and absorbing everything. No, the product is just so lightweight, it's just zoop, it's gone. It's literally gone in my skin. And yeah, I another product I absolutely love, especially in for Indian weather, because it smells really good. I just had to mention the smell is really good too, uh, especially when it is hot. These products are supremely lightweight, supremely lightweight. And lastly, I tried out this moisture magnet essence face mist, and I like the word moisture magnet because it is filled with humectants, and humectants literally attract water from the atmosphere. Okay, that's what humectants do. The smell is amazing. I don't know. I do not know why this brand is not more famous. I wish they send me more products. Even if they don't, it's fine. I'm gonna purchase. I'm gonna go on their website literally in some time, and I'm gonna place my order for a couple of more products. Again, guys, not sponsored at all. Okay, this is not sponsored. They have not paid me. They have not requested me. They have not spoken to me. This brand hasn't spoken to me. It's because I really like it, I want to share it. And I also feel that this brand has not had the kind of exposure I wish it did. Okay. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. It is so cute. Firstly, and yeah, the mist again. Okay, I don't know where to spray it. Let's spray it here. Okay, you couldn't see, but super duper. I mean, it's a mist. What do you expect? It's a mist. It smells amazing. Like the fragrance is absolutely good. I love the fragrance. And also, you can just literally apply this on makeup. Obviously, your makeup has to be waterproof. If your makeup is not waterproof, it will, probably affect that. But this product is so good. I am definitely carrying this in my bag. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you. I do not leave my house. Like, it is very rare for me to leave my house. But when I do leave my house, this thing is going to go in my bag. 110%. It will be in my bag because I just love it so much. So yeah, I just thought I wanted to share these products with you because I really want you guys to know that this brand is good. Definitely go give them a try, especially if they have a sale going on, which I think they currently have. If they have, I'll just link it in the description box below. And yeah, I'll also link their website and all of that, so go check them out. Again, no, not an affiliate link either, because I know a lot of people, when so like in yesterday's live session, a lot of people came and they were trying to figure out, why am I coming live, why am I making content if no brand is paying me to do it. So firstly, brands only pay after a certain threshold. Once you have enough people watching you, brands only pay at that point, they don't pay before that. And b I already have a business, I am working, I am making good enough money for myself, I am happy, I'm a very content person in life. So yeah, which is why the honestly, I'll tell you what, when I make YouTube videos, I just enjoy, because growing up, okay, when I was growing up, I used to watch a lot of Zoella. If you guys know, she is a YouTuber, and she spoke a lot about beauty and, like, all cute things. And a lot of other YouTubers, have grown watching them, like a lot of people my age, and I always wanted to do what they do. And for the longest of time, I didn't have the confidence. I did not have the confidence to come on camera and just do bud. But now that I am like growing into myself, I would like to say, I have the confidence. I have a camera. I have some time. So why not, right? Why not? Which is why I like to make content. So I'm making content. I'm trying to make content every day, so I'm able to connect with people on the other side of this camera. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is just my opinion. Do try these products out if you feel like you want to try them out. And do subscribe, because I am uploading every single day, and I will see you in my next video tomorrow. So bye bye, take care.